ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಿ ಶ್ವಾಸ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಶ್ವಾಸ ಬಿಡಿ. Take a deep inhale. Keep the back straight. Eyes closed. Slow exhale. Omkara. One time. Inhale. Patanjali Namana. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Chin Mudra. Normal breathing. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, twist to the right side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Two more rounds each side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, release. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale, take the right elbow to the ground if you can. Bend the elbow and take the left hand over your head as much as possible. Straighten the arm. If you can, look at the fingers, otherwise look straight in front. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Bend the left elbow to the ground, stretch the right hand behind you. Again, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, interlock both the fingers, stretch the arms up, look slightly up at your fingers, push the palms towards the ceiling, keep lengthening the sides of the body, pulling the spine up. Stay there, take at least 3 breaths. And inhale, lengthen a little bit more, exhale, slowly release. We'll go to Shashankasana. Push the hips back, stretch the hands in front, forehead down. Now walk your fingertips forward as much as possible. Keep pulling the shoulders forward, keep pushing the hips back. Pull the fingers forward a little bit more, stretch the arms forward. Inhale, lift your head up and look at the fingers. Push the hips back. Feel your shoulders pulling forward. Again, inhale. On the exhale, forehead down. And keep the fingers there. Stay there. Slowly release the fingers, release the hands. Come on all fours, knees hip distance apart. From here, inhale, right leg, left hand, stretch it out. And exhale. Other side, left leg, right hand, inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Left leg, right hand, inhale. Exhale. Last round, right leg, left hand, inhale. Exhale. Left leg, right hand, inhale. Exhale. From here, inhale, take the right hand all the way up. Look at the right hand. Exhale, take the right hand under the left hand. Bring your right shoulder to the ground. Slightly tuck your head under you. Stay there, press the right shoulder on the mat. Take the left hand up. Keep breathing and stay there. Push your hips back, press the shoulder down. Stay there. Inhale and come back and release. This time, inhale, take the left hand up. Exhale, take the left hand under you, left shoulder on the mat. Tuck your head in slightly. Press the left shoulder down, take the right hand up and hold it there. Keep breathing, press the shoulder, turn the chest to the side. Stay there and slowly inhale and exhale. Come back. Hands one step forward, tuck your toes in. Exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Heels down, feet closer to each other. Push the hips back. Inhale, right leg all the way up. And move forward. Bring the right knee to the right elbow. 1. Push the right leg back up. 2. Exhale. Again up. 3. 2 more times. Up, push back fully. 4. Last one. Push back up. And 5. Go back to Shashankasana. Take a small break. Stretch the hands, forehead down. Again, inhale up. And exhale to Adho Mukha. Legs are straight. Push the hips back, head down. This time inhale, left leg all the way up. Bring the left knee to left elbow. 1. Push back. 2. And up. 3. And up. 4. And up. Last round. 5. And up. One more time, relax in Shashankasana. Keep breathing and stay there. Slowly come up. Go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Walk your feet little wider. Wide as a mat. Walk your hands towards the feet. Keep the hands in front of the feet. Lift the head up, push the hips back, straighten the back and look in front. Tighten the kneecaps, tighten the legs. Pull the spine forward, head forward. Now from here, keep your right hand in the center and take the left hand up. Open the body to the side, twist completely, keeping the legs straight. Stay, take 3 breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly left hand down. Take the right hand all the way up. Reach, straighten up. Turn the chest to the side. 3 breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly, right hand down. Once more, inhale, look up. On the exhale, from here you'll keep either your fingertips or your hands on the ground. Turn your toes out slightly. We're going to inhale from here. Exhale, come to a squat. Inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale, squat. 5 times. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Come back here. Bring your feet closer to each other. Uttanasana. Head down completely. Fold your arms. Push the elbows to the ground. Push your weight slightly forward into the toes. Straighten the legs. Eyes closed. Keep breathing. Stay there for 10 seconds. Keep breathing and stay there for 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release the hands, stretch the hands in front. Inhale up, exhale, release. Mukadoti, 3, 4 breaths. Inhale from the nose, exhale, bend forward and fully blow out from the mouth. Slowly come up. Today we'll do few rounds of Surya Namaskar and do some ab work. Feet together, legs straight, body in a straight line, shoulders back, chest open, hands in Namaskara Mudra, eyes closed. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasya Pihitam Mukham Tattvam Pushanna Varanu Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, straighten the arms, press the palms together, push the hips forward, straighten the legs, back bend, chest opening up towards the ceiling. Exhale, reaching forward, pushing the hips back, all the way head down, Uttanasana. Inhale, right leg back, look up, chest open. Exhale, left leg near the right foot. Arms are in a straight line, body in a straight line, tighten the whole body, Dvipadasana. Look in front and knees down slowly, Ashtanga Namana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Heels together, straighten the legs, chest pushing forward and up, hips down, shoulders open. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Heels down, push the hips back and up. Straighten the legs, straighten the hands. Inhale, right foot comes to the center, all the way between the hands. And look up from here, pushing the hip forward. Exhale, Uttanasana. Feet together, head down. Inhale, Namaskara Siddhi. Om Ravaye Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Urdhva Mukha, 7 Adho Mukha, 8 left leg all the way in front, 9 Uttanasana. 10 Namaskar Sthiti. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale. Push the hips forward, tighten the legs. Exhale, bend forward, fully head down, hands beside the feet. Inhale, right leg back, all the way back. Exhale, Dvipadasana. Ashtanga Namaskara. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Exhale. Right leg in front. Inhale. Exhale. Head down completely. Namaskar Sthiti. Om Bhanave Namaha. Inhale, straighten the arms, press the palms, keep pulling backwards, open the chest. Exhale, reach all the way down. Left leg back, inhale, look up. Exhale, tighten the legs, body in a straight line, look in front, shoulders open, and hold your breath. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Heels down, push the hips back and up. Chest moving towards the knees, head moving towards the ground. Inhale, left leg in front, all the way. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Namaskar Sthiti. Om Khagaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg in front. 9, 10. Om Pushne Namaha. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, Dvipada. Hold your breath. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Fully exhale in Adho Mukha. Left leg in front, Ekapada Prasarnasana. Uttanasana. Namaskar Sthiti. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, right leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7, Adho Mukha. 8, 9, 10. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Normal breathing. Om Marichaye Namaha. Inhale, back bend, tighten the legs, push the hips forward, keep lifting the chest and pulling the neck backwards, dropping backwards. Exhale, Uttanasana. Head down completely. Try to bring the top of the head towards the mat. Inhale, left leg all the way back. Take a big step. Push your hip forward. You can keep the knee on the ground, chest open and up. Exhale, Dvipada, both feet together, legs are tight, knees together, hips are tight, body in a straight line. Pull the stomach in, engage your abs, engage the hips and legs. Ashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, pull forward completely, hips moving towards the wrist, Urdhva Mukha. Expand the chest as you inhale. Adho Mukha. Push the hips completely back. Stretch the arms completely. Spread the fingers. Press the palms nicely. Head towards the mat. Exhale fully. Inhale, left leg in the front between the hands. Once more, push the chest up and open. Exhale, Uttanasana. Head down fully. And Namaskara Sthiti. Slowly. Watch your breath. Inhale and exhale 2 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Inhale, exhale. Right leg back, left leg back. Hold your breath. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Right leg all the way in front. Uttanasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Take a few seconds here. Bring your breathing to normal. You can keep your hands down. Eyes closed. Just watch your breath. 3-4 breaths here. And slowly open your eyes. From here, Tadasana. Utkatasana. Push the hips back, knees behind the toes, lift the chest up, tuck your buttocks in, try to straighten the arms. Press the knees and thighs together. Now keeping the knees bent, reach the hands down, drop the head down and straighten the legs. Uttanasana. Again, inhale, Tadasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana, head down fully. Tadasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. 2 more rounds. Tadasana. Utkatasana. Imagine you're sitting on a chair. Push your hips down. Keep your thighs together. Chest open. Hips tucked in. Uttanasana. Last round. Tadasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. And from here walk back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. We hold Adho Mukha for 10 counts. Pull your stomach in. Keep pushing your chest in. Straighten the arms. Press the heels down. Each time you exhale, pull the stomach in tighter. Keep moving the head towards the ground. Spread your fingers. Press the base of the palm nicely. And stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Full exhale. Stay in the same position. Find your relaxation there. Now from here you're going to inhale and move forward completely to Dvipada. Your shoulder should be in line with the wrist. Straighten your legs. Tuck your buttock in. Don't push it out. Tuck the buttock in. Chest between the hands. Look slightly in front of you. Tighten the legs. Your heels should be facing the ceiling. Pull your stomach in. Push the ground away from you. Push your body away from the ground. Press the hands firmly on the ground. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you come back down, take a breath and come back again to Dvipada. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Move back, exhale to Adho Mukha. Take 2-3 breaths here. Relax. Staying in Adho Mukha. Take your feet slightly wider than hip distance. From here we will move to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Turn the toes out. Press the thighs on the mat. Press the knees on the mat. Straighten both the legs, tighten the legs. Shoulders open. Chest open. Keep pulling your chest up. Expanding the chest. Press the hips down. You're trying to imagine pushing the hips towards the wrist. Gently look up at the ceiling. If you have a neck pain, don't drop it too much. Gaze up at the ceiling. Keep breathing. Tighten your buttock muscles. Feel the lower back. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and tuck your toes in, lift the knees up, push back to Adho Mukha. Now bring the feet just hip distance apart. We'll do all three together from Adho Mukha to Dvipada to Urdhva Mukha, 5 rounds. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Relax your body, relax your breath. Ready? We'll go. Inhale, Dvipada, up all the way. Urdhva Mukha, you can drop your knees to the ground. If you want more of a challenge, you can keep the knees up. And from there, straight away push back to Adho Mukha. That's 1. Dvipada, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Keep the legs tight, straight and engaged all the time. 3 more rounds. Dvipada, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. 2 more rounds. Dvipada, inhale. Urdhva Mukha. Take at least 1 full breath there. Inhale and exhale. And exhale back to Adho Mukha. 2 more rounds. Dvipada, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Last round. Dvipada, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Drop your knees down. Sit back in Shashankasana. Elbows down, forehead down. Relax the shoulders, relax the arms. Slow down your breathing. Stay there for 10 seconds. Come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feet little closer, just 1 inch gap maybe. Push the hips back. Straighten the arms and legs. Now inhale, take the right leg up, keep the left heel down. Push backwards and take the right leg. Straighten both the legs, push your head towards the ground. And bring the right foot outside the right hand. Ekapada Prasanna, but wide one. Right foot outside the right hand. You can drop the left knee. Straighten the arms, lift the chest open. Keep the right knee next to the right shoulder. Keep breathing. Now you straighten your left knee. Pull forward. Keep breathing and hold it there. 10, 9, 8. Tighten the knee. Don't push the hip up. Keep the hip parallel to the ground. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All the time you are engaging your abdominal muscles. 2 and 1. You can drop your knee down. Relax for a few seconds. Now from here, once more, lift the left knee up. Turn the left foot flat on the ground. Your right hand is close to your right knee. Right arm, right leg, right shoulder, right knee. Instead of twisting, we are always twisting the other way. We'll open the body this side, take your left hand up, keep the hip down, head back, lift the left fingers towards the ceiling. Keep pushing your right shoulder and right knee against each other. Turn the body to the side. Press the outer edge of the left foot. Keep breathing and straighten the left leg. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip down. Straighten the left leg. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly left knee down. Keep the leg in the same position, right foot in the same position. Now we'll do Shirapadasana. Take the hand, right shoulder under the left knee, bring the right foot in a little bit. Take the right hand outside the right foot and slowly straighten the left leg. Bring the forehead towards your toe. If you can't reach, it's okay. If you have a block, you can use the block. Otherwise, just hold your head, pushing the forehead towards the ground or your toes. Straighten the back leg. Press both the palms firmly and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bring the right leg back to Adho Mukha. You can drop your knees down and sit back in Shashankasana for another 10 seconds. Relax completely. Relax the arms, relax the shoulders, relax your breathing. Stay there. Once more, stretch your hands out. Inhale, lift your head up, look in front, tuck your toes in and come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feet closer towards each other. Press the right heel down. Inhale, take the left leg all the way up. And bring the left foot outside the left hand. You can drop the right knee. Pull the body forward, look up. Pull your right hip forward, stay there for a few seconds. Keep breathing. Now tighten the right leg. Lift the knee off the ground. Pull the body forward. Tighten both the arms. Press the palms firmly and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly drop the right knee down. Relax for a few seconds and stay there. Now from there, lift the right knee up again. Turn the right foot flat on the mat. Keeping the left shoulder next to the left knee. Take the right hand on the hip, turn the body nicely to the side. Press the left palm firmly. When you are stable, tighten your right leg, keep the hip down. Take the right hand up and open up sideways. Reach the fingertips to the ceiling. Keep looking up and pushing your head back. Keep breathing. Your abdominal muscles, front, side, back, everything is completely engaged. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bring the right knee down and relax. Now from here, Shirapadasana. Take the left shoulder under the left knee. Bring the left foot in slightly. Press both the palms. If you need to use a block or a blanket for your forehead, keep it there in the center. Inhale, lift the right knee straight. Engage the right leg. Pull the head forward and down towards your toes or towards the ground. Hold it there. Keep breathing. Tighten the right leg. Press the palms fully. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly, legs down and take your left leg back. Go to Adho Mukha. Take your feet little wider. Knees wide, drop the knees down, get the toes together, push your hips back, sit back in Shashankasana. Relax completely. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Keep breathing and stay there. Inhale, and as you exhale, come back to Adho Mukha. One more posture in this position. Again, press the heels firmly, feet just close to each other, 1 inch distance. Press the palms firmly. Keep the left heel down, right leg straight up. Inhale, on the exhale, bring the right knee in the center of both the hands. Kapotasana. If you need to use a blanket or a block under your hip, go ahead. Bring the left hip towards the right heel. Both hands in line with your right knee. Straighten the left leg, toes out on your fingertips. Inhale, chest open. On the exhale, bend forward, get your forehead to the ground. Stretch your hands in front and stay there. 1, 2, keep the left leg tight and straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Take your hands slowly back. Inhale, chest open. Tuck your left leg. Straighten the left leg, right leg back. Go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. 1 deep inhale and slow exhale. Press the feet once more firmly, heels down. Straighten the legs. Inhale, left leg all the way up. Exhale, left knee in the center. Push the right leg straight behind you. Turn the toes out. Pull the right hip towards the right heel on your fingertips. Inhale up. Exhale, forehead down completely and stretch your hands in front and stay there. 1, 2, 3. Don't hold your breath. Keep breathing. Keep pulling the fingertips forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly walk your hands back. Inhale, chest open and exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take your feet wide once more. Drop your knees wide. Get your toes together once more. Sit back in Shashankasana. Forehead down, arms and elbows down. Completely relax. Push the hips back. Stay for 15 seconds. Slowing your breath down. Keep the eyes closed. Just breathe. And slowly come up, turn around, lie down on your back. Make sure your lower back is firmly on the mat. Shoulders rolled under you. Chin down towards the chest, hands down beside your hips. Feet together, feet on the mat. Bend your knees. Bring your knees up and straighten both the legs 90 degrees. Toes in. Keep looking at your toes. Press your lower back on the mat. Pull your stomach in. Keep breathing and stay there. Keep tightening the legs. Pushing the heels towards the ceiling so all the muscles in the back of the leg are tightened. Pull your stomach in. Hold the stomach in and observe as you breathe out. The stomach should go in as you breathe out. Ankles together, toes together, knees together. Tighten all the thigh muscles and back of the knee. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay in the same position. From here, slightly bend your left knee. Hold the left ankle with both the hands. Behind the left ankle, interlock your fingers. Now inhale and straighten the left leg, trying to pull it towards your face. And drop the right leg parallel to the ground, toes facing the ceiling. Both legs are straight. Straighten the right leg. It's not on the mat. It's 1 inch from the ground. Left leg is up. Straighten both the legs. Keep pulling the left leg. Left knee towards your chest. Left ankle towards your face. Stay there. 1. Right toes facing the ceiling. 2. Keep pushing the right heel out and tighten the right knee so you can feel your right hip. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now inhale, bring your forehead up to the knee. Don't pull your neck too much. Keep pulling the leg if you want, that's okay. And stay for at least 2 breaths. 1 and 2 and release. Don't drop your legs. Both the legs back to 90 degrees. Take 1 deep inhale and slow exhale there. Now bend your right knee slightly. Hold behind the right ankle, interlock the fingers. And inhale, straighten the right leg. Exhale, keep breathing and stay there. Now slowly drop the left leg towards the mat. But don't touch the mat. Tighten the left leg. Straighten completely. Push the heel out. Toes facing the ceiling. Feel your left hip. Keep straightening the right leg. Push the elbows outwards. So you make space for the leg to come in. Tighten the kneecap. Both legs tight, engaged. Keep breathing. Observe your stomach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, forehead up. Keep pulling the leg towards your face. Keep tightening the right leg. Take 2 breaths. Inhale, complete exhale. One more time. Inhale, complete exhale. Slowly head down. Again bring the leg to 90 degrees. Last round. Hands next to your hips. Toes in. Keep tightening the legs and hold it. If you're having a back pain, you can slightly bend your knees, but keep the knees and feet together. Hold it there. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keeping the legs together very slowly. Bring the legs down towards the mat. Rest it on the mat and relax. Palms up. Relax the breath. Take a few deep inhales and long exhale. Breathe. Release the abdominal muscles. Release your back. Now slowly bend your left leg. Keep the left foot on the mat. Inhale, right leg up. With your right 3 fingers, hold the right big toe. Just straighten the right leg, straighten the right hand, take it to the right side. Turn your head slightly to the left. Left hand stretched out to the left side. Pull the right foot towards your right shoulder. Keep the arm and leg straight. Doesn't matter if you don't touch the ground, but straighten the leg. Straighten the arm and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the right leg back. Take the right knee over the left knee. Wrap the right foot around the left leg. Drop the right knee to the left. Turn your head completely to the right side. Right shoulder on the mat. Pull your right knee to the ground using the left hand and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back center. Release the legs. Bend the right knee. Keep the right foot on the ground. Straighten the left leg. Hold the left big toe. Straighten the leg. Straighten the arm. Right hand to the side. Inhale, and on the exhale, drop the left leg completely to the side. Keep it straight. Tighten the kneecap. Turn your head slightly to the right. Keep pulling the left foot towards the left shoulder. Arm and leg are straight and hold. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly bring it back to center. Wrap the left knee around the right knee. Take the leg around. Interlock the legs. Drop the right knee, left knee towards the right side, and pull the knee down. Make sure your left shoulder is on the mat. Turn your head completely to the left side. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back center and release the legs. Pawan Muktasana. Bend both your knees in. This time take the hands under the knees. Try to hold your elbow or your wrist. Keep your head down. Pull the knee in. Pull the stomach in and create some space to pull the legs toward knees towards you. If you are comfortable, inhale, forehead up towards the knees. Take at least 3 breaths there. 1, 2, 3. Slowly head down, legs down, stretch your legs out, relax for a few seconds. Hands to the side. Since you have been using the hip flexors, which are also abdominal muscles, help to support the abdominal and back muscles. Bend your knees one last time. Legs and feet and knees hip distance apart, hands to the side. Inhale, on the exhale, drop both knees to the right side, turn your head nicely to the left side. Keep pressing the knees to the mat. Now your left knee, push it away from the body. Feel the stretch in that left hip. Keep pushing the left knee away from the body. Press the right knee completely on the ground. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly up. Come back to center. Inhale. Exhale to the other side. Lift your head and turn it to the right. Keep your shoulders down. Press the left knee nicely on the ground. Try to bring the right knee towards the ground and push it away from the body. You feel the stretch right here in the right hip. Stay there. Keep breathing. Push the right knee away from you. And stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come back center. Once more, stretch your legs out. Palms facing up. Relax for a few seconds. Bend your knees, turn to the right side, come up to a comfortable sitting position. We'll do a few pranayams. You can sit next to the wall, on your blanket, on a chair, on the block. Make sure you're comfortable so that you're not moving around. Back is straight, hands in Chin Mudra. Start with one Om chant. Inhale. Pranasedam vashe sarvam tritiveya pratishtitam mateva putran rakshasva shriksha pragyanksha videhi naiti. Eyes closed. Watch your breath for a few seconds. Keep straightening the back. We go with 5 Omkaras. Inhale. Inhale. Last 2 rounds. Inhale. Last round, breathe in. Slowly stop. Keep your eyes closed, hands in Chin Mudra, back straight. Feel the vibrations. Observe the state of your mind. Watch your breath. Go with Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. The right hand, left hand in Chid Mudra. Right hand, right thumb on the right nostril. Start breathing from the left nostril. Inhale. Close the left nostril. Exhale longer from the right nostril. Once more, breathe in from the right. Close the right, open the left. Breathe out from the left. Again, inhale from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the left. Hold for 2 seconds. Open the right. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the right. Don't put too much pressure. Gently with your thumb. Open the left. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue. Few more rounds. Last round. Exhale completely from the left nostril. Hands back in Chin Mudra. Back straight. Observe the breathing in both the nostrils. Brahmari. Lips gently closed. Makara on the exhale. Breathe in. Continue a few more rounds. Last 2 rounds. Last round. Slowly stop. Eyes closed. Stay still. Watch your breath. Slowly lie down on your mat, stretch your legs out, legs wider than hip distance. Eyes remain closed. Keep your chin down, back of your head, lower back resting comfortably on the mat, on the ground. Shoulder blades away from each other, shoulders open, palms facing up, fingers slightly curled. No chin mudra here, fingers are open, free. Keep watching the space behind your forehead. Lips gently closed, relax the whole body completely. Let the weight of the body onto the ground. Normal breathing. Slow exhale, long exhale. Just keep watching the space behind the forehead and watch your breath. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your awareness back to the breath, back to the body. Slowly move your toes, move your fingers. Bend your left knee. Keep the eyes closed, turn to the right side. Bend both the knees, pull it near the chest. Rest your head on the right hand. Stay there for a few seconds. Supporting with the left hand. Come up to sitting position. Shanti mantra. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Calming. You feel the heat. Press it on your eyes. Keep the eyes closed. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Bhunavanasana. Thanks to Mother Earth. Inhale, open the palms, look in your palms and slowly open your eyes. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, Shubha.
Thank you.